First of all, you have to go to users. On each user you will poke, you will get a coin here. Okay, poke multiple user, you can make many dollars a day. Okay, this is first way to make dollars. Okay, second way is visit profile, any profile, anyone, and ask for dollar. Okay, बिल्कुल भी तवक्को नहीं थी कि आप ओलिव ट्रेड पे मुफ्त ट्रेडिंग की प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं। यहाँ मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा कि आपको डेमो अकाउंट खोलना है और आप अपनी पहली ट्रेड के लिए 10,000 डेमो करेंसी यूनिट इस्तेमाल skip it and your request is sent to this user. Also you can send a dollar to him if you want to. Okay, okay, now second thing, how you can make dollars. When you like, you will get a dollar here. Okay, it's you will get 10 cent on every like. Also a user that posted the content, they will get a dollar. Okay, now other people that poked you, okay, you can poke him back. On every poke you will get a coin here. Okay, now my $3 complete. Okay, uh, another thing is user that ask for help, you can accept, but you will lose a dollar. Okay, on accepting, so I am not accepting. If someone sent you a dollar or like your post, this is notification. Okay, also you can create posters here, ask for dollars or visa requests or any kind of you want to sponsorship. Okay, and this is inbox, this is your earnings. Okay, you can withdraw here using your method on every first date of month. Okay, and now you can also earn. Now I have $3 here. If I watch a video, सिर्फ $1 के साथ then I will get 100 coins. Okay, on 10 video watch I will get a dollar. फौरी तौर पर अपने फंड्स निकलवा सकता हूँ। ऑल एम ट्रेड डाउनलोड करें और शुरुआत करें। Wait for now completed. Now I have $3.10. Okay, on every video I will watch I will get $0.10. Okay, now if I watch uh, almost 10 videos I will get a dollar. Okay, I can also watch here if I send him a dollar I will watch a video, but if I send him someone a dollar I will lose a dollar, but I will earn $0.10 also. Okay, now let's see our balance. Okay, this is now our balance is dropped $1 because I sent a dollar to user. Okay, now I can also poke these users. If I poked 100 user I will get $1. Okay, so you will poke $100 to you, also you will get $1, and user that will poked also will get $0.1. Okay, now here you can turn off notifications, also you can check for updates. uh, Here is you can check what's going on latest news and help and earning methods you will teach here. Okay, now you can see messages here. Okay, and once again I got a video option ready now. This is my balance 2.29. now I will get a video, तो यहाँ से आपने इसको साइन अप कर लेना है। तो मैं लॉगिन किया हुआ है तो इसलिए मैं दोबारा नहीं कर रहा, अगर करूँगा तो बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लग जाएगा। ये आप वीडियो देखेंगे, एक वीडियो से आपको $0.58 मिलेगा, एक वीडियो से 34 सेकंड की वीडियो है। तो ये वीडियो प्ले कर ली है मैंने। तो ये देखें पहले से जो मेरा बैलेंस है $6.28। ओके, वीडियो इज रेडी। ओके, rewarded earn reward. Okay, $0.10 I get. You can also get $100 in I think 5 or 7 days you can earn $100. Okay, once you withdraw it you will get on first date, you will get in your account. Okay.